Hey everyone, I'm Cynthia with Canta Aesthetic. Today I'll walk you through an entire body contouring session using our cavitation machine, from warm-up massage all the way to a laser pad finish. Whether you're a spa owner, an esthetician, or just curious about professional cavitation, this tutorial covers the handpiece moves, recommended settings, and key safety checks. Ready? Let's dive in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our weekly tech tips. Step 1. Warm-up massage, 10 minutes. First, warm 2 drops of essential oil between your palms. Start with 3 gentle clockwise circles around the navel to wake up the tissue. Alternate hand-over-hand strokes across the abdomen. Then sweep out from the ribs to the waist. Lift from the groin toward the hips to boost lymph flow. Finally, trace the abdominal path up the right side, across, and down the left for 3 to 5 passes. Give the skin a quick wipe and apply a light layer of RF cream to prep for energy delivery. Set the RF handle to 10 minutes at an energy of 6 to 15. Step 2. Body RF tightening, 10 minutes. Glide up one side of the abdomen, sweep across, and glide down the other side 5 to 8 times. Outline a diamond over the waist for even heating. Then carve vertical lines to define the waistline. Lift the girdle muscle on each side. 16 lifts with the handle alone. then 16 more adding your free hand for extra stretch. Wipe off the RF cream and switch to cavitation gel. Select Mode A, 15 minutes, Energy 6 to 15. Step 3. Ultrasonic cavitation, 15 minutes. Repeat the same path, trace, diamond, carve, and lifts 3 full passes. On stubborn fat pockets, hold tight circles until you hear a steady cavitation tone. That's the sound of fat cell disruption. Towel wipe and add a thin coat of RF cream. Set 15 minutes, energy 6 to 15. Suction 3 to 15 seconds on, 1 to 8 seconds off. The on time should always be longer. Step 4. Vacuum and RF, 15 minutes. Follow the same route, keeping the cup moving so you never linger in one spot. In dense areas, set release time to 0% for continuous suction for a few strokes, then return to pulses. Cleanse the skin one more time. Choose Mode A 20 minutes, Energy 6 to 20. Press Start and let the client relax. Step 5. Laser Pad Finish 20 minutes. Wrap the treatment zone with an adjustable strap. Slide the laser pad flush to the skin. When the timer beeps, hit pause, remove the pad, and undock the strap. Session complete. All right, next up, let's go over a few things you'll want to keep in mind for the treatment. Do's and don'ts after treatment. 1. Avoid saunas, hot springs, and strenuous exercise. 2. Wait 4 to 6 hours before taking a shower. 3. Stay warm and avoid cold or spicy foods. 4. Drink plenty of warm water to stay hydrated and support metabolism. Treatment guidelines. 1. 12 treatment cycles constitute one full treatment course. 2. Recommended frequency 1 to 2 treatment cycles per week. 3. Each treatment session lasts 80 minutes. Who should not use this treatment? 1. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals. 2. Those with heart disease or a pacemaker. 3. Individuals with unhealed surgical wounds or those recovering from surgery. 4. Those with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism, malignant tumors, etc. 5. Use with caution if you have skin conditions or infectious diseases. And that's a full cavitation workflow with the Canta Aesthetic system. If this breakdown helped, give us a thumbs up, drop your questions below, and share with colleagues who might benefit. For specs, pricing, or certified training, check the links in the description or visit cantaesthetic.com. Always perform a thorough consultation and follow local regulations before every treatment. Thanks for watching. I'm Cynthia, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, keep creating beauty with confidence.